Louie and say your name, Holly. Say your name. Say your name. It's Chloe and Holly.
No, Ellie.
You're Ellie? What? No, you're Holly. Anyway.
Then you're Riley.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm Chloe. It's Chloe. And today we're playing Don't Press the Button. And of course, we pressed the buttons right. Holly?
Yes.
Yes. And today we are in our studio. Don't pretend like we're in our living room. Today we're in a studio doing some right dancing, right? Some right dancing. You know what I mean? She watched anime. Die. Ow. You know they can't see us, right?
Yeah.
All they can hear is our voices, right?
Yeah.
Ow.
They could only see us in the game.
Yeah. And I've got no idea what we're doing. Okay, we're doing the racing, right? What? We're doing the racing, right? And don't I get past you? Don't I finish before you? Like every single one?
No.
Yes.
No.
Except for the storm. Before, of course, you lost the legs.
We're just doing cartwheels
At our studio.
We're just doing cartwheels everywhere.
Can't just do them at the same time. Well, I am 11 and she is 9. Yeah, queen. If you guys didn't already know.
Sorry. My sister's phone shut off.
Yeah.
So we had to restart the video all over again.
Yeah.
We're still doing a bunch of cartwheels. We're just doing
more videos together.
Yeah.
Ow.
This one's super good. Even though our hair is going like crazy because we're doing cartwheels.
Yeah, today we can't go down the slide, and guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna go down the slide. Yeah. Whee! She died, but I literally jumped on the slide, so I didn't fall. Why are these so tangly? Why are your fake hair so tangly? I don't have fake hair. I mean, never mind. Up. And Holly is going to take a shower, so it's going to be me taking over.
No.
Not yet. Right now, you have to.
No.
Yeah.
Hey, what did I just say?
Yeah, Dad, we're doing a video.
That's great. Not right here, you're not. What did I just say?
I didn't do anything wrong, I guess. It's not anything. Anyway, so you guys, it's going to be me taking over. No idea what we're doing. Collect the coins. Press the button. Don't avoid the rocket. See what I mean? Touch the rockets. Because if they do, I can do that. Okay. Well, Holly is currently taking a shower. I am busy singing a song. I'm my doodaloo. Oh yeah. Doodaloo. Oh yeah. Baby. Have it your way. Sophia the first. Explosion, 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 explosion.
What are you recording?
I'm recording me doing a video, Dad. Me and Holly already did the video, and now we're just voice chatting it. Know what I mean? Or do you not know what I mean?
Like commentating the video?
Kind of, yeah,
Like
sure.
Commentating.
Sure. Because I don't have my computer, and I can't just film with my phone and talk at the same time with my computer. You know? So, yeah.
You guys are dorks.
No, we're not! I'm sorry we tried to get subscribers. Plus, I just hit 500 and Holly subscribed to me.
Wow.
And Jake and Ryan.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm dizzy. Okay, so we're gonna get back into the video. Okay. And yes, I was still filming. Okay. John D. Z something was the chosen one. Gets the top. Let's get to the top. Jersey. Okay, come on. Got to the top. I wonder what if I could fall through the board. Should we try that? Oh, look, it's Holly. I go. She goes Jersey. Oh no, I'm stuck. Holly, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Holly's gonna come. Oh look, there she is. Jelly bean, I'm stuck. I died. Okay. What? Oh, we're supposed to set out fire. Currently, Holly's on the red team, of course. She's hot and she's cold. Yes, and she's... Wait, what? Okay. She's fire, I'm ice. You know what I mean? Yeah. She munches anime. Okay, Ducky, Ellie, Chucky. I don't even know what we're supposed to do. Why do we have this can thing? Jersey. Ow! Okay, we're gonna go into my mom's room now. Hi, beautiful.
Are you being a psycho?
I'm not being a psycho. I'm just filming a video, bro. Calm down. Why does he look like Damon from Vampire Diaries, Mom? He legit looks like Damon, except with blue eyes instead of brown. Jersey. Okay, that's right. Bye-bye. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to Dad now. Sup, bestie?
Okay.
Okay. For the fam, tell me.
Stop doing cartwheels and shit in here. No, don't shoot. Don't.
I wonder if Holly's out yet. Yeah, but like she could be out by now. You know? Okay. Which one are we doing now? Oh, cross the bridge before it's too late. Well, Holly died. I think. Where's Holly? Oh, did she die? Holly died, Dad. She already left. Or died, or whatever. Haley ZFG has a bomb. She already used it, though. Enter the castle. Creature report, creature report, creature report. Why? This one's the easiest one out of everyone in the whole wide galaxy. Gotta wait, bro, because that's what happened when you don't wait. Oh, hi, Holly. Okay, so for most of the video, Holly was here, but now she's gone. She's not going to be here for the rest of the video because she's in the shower hold. So, you're just going to listen to me talkie now. Talkie, walkie, Ella, cocky. Eggy, dokey, Ella, chucky. Why he keep tasing people, bro? Like, stop. Oops, someone died. She wants my heart like anime. Why? No, why'd he kill me?
Hi, you guys, and as you guys can see, I have a voice changer. Good